I hope everyone is well. Today's video is for those people whose TikTok account has been banned due to any valuation. So a TikTok account can be banned due to any reason. If you do multiple valuations, if you do 3 valuations, your channel gets banned in TikTok. And in this way, it also gets banned due to age requirements. Often you people upload videos of children, etc. So because of that, in my own account, I used to upload a lot of children's videos. So they banned my channel and sent me this message. As soon as I was opening my ID, I was getting this message which I am reading out to you people. Your account will be deleted on this date. Your account is banned because it looks like you do not meet the age requirement to use TikTok. If this is a mistake and you are at least 13 years old, you can appeal before this date. So what do I have to do now? I have to appeal and I have to get my account back. So today I will teach you that if your channel is also permanently banned like mine, then how can you get it back? Whether you have age requirement or whether you have done multiple valuations, you can get your channel back from TikTok. There are some steps for that which I will tell you in today's video. First of all, when you open your account, you see an interface like this. Then when you submit the appeal, they tell you thanks for submitting your appeal. We will notify you by email and inbox, which they do not do. After this, when you open it again and your appeal gets rejected, then you get a message like this: appeal not passed. We review your appeal and you have not passed it. You can appeal again. But please make sure the documents you submit meet the requirements. If your age is not confirmed, this account will be deleted on this date. You can also download your data and you can appeal again. Now what everyone does here is that the documents we provide to them do not meet their requirements, due to which they reject our appeal. So today I will tell you how to appeal. What is the method? How to share the documents. If you guys appeal to TikTok in my way, the method I have to explain to you guys now. Believe me, I got my channel back, and if you guys also follow the same, you guys will also get your account back. I got my account back within 1 hour, and I said, why don't I make a video on this and share it with you guys so that you guys also follow the same method and get your account back. So first of all, you will open your TikTok account. If it is on your email ID or number. My number was on, then I got a code on WhatsApp. I pasted it here and opened my ID. After that I got this option that your appeal was not passed. So I took a screenshot of it because it may be useful for me in the future. So what happened after that was that I went to the option of appeal again because I had to appeal to them. So as soon as you click on appeal again, you get an interface in which they ask you for the date of birth. So here you have to type your real date of birth or you have to search and write it. And if you are using someone else's nick, then the date of birth in that nick is what you have to input here. Because if you do it wrong, then your appeal will be rejected. So now we put our date of birth here, which is the date of birth on our nick. So I am hiding these details from you because these are my personal details and I am just telling you the method of how to appeal to TikTok and what are the procedures. How you have to follow step by step. As soon as you enter your date of birth, you click the next button. After that you get to select any one of these 3 methods. In which the first is facial age estimation, credit card authorization, selfie with ID. So you can select whichever of these 3 you like best. Here I am selecting selfie with ID because I have an ID card and I want to take a selfie with it. So what will I do now? I will go to selfie with ID. So after this we will see some such interface in which they are asking you for the photo of the ID card. But first of all you have to select the region which region you are from. So I am from Pakistan. I selected Pakistan here. So after giving the region or country, they ask you for the documents which documents you want to submit. You are given these 3 choices in documents also. You can also give ID card. You can also give driver's license. You can also give passport. So I selected ID card here. So after the ID card, I will upload the front and back picture to them. So here many people make this mistake that they send blurred ID card pictures. You guys have to send the front and back picture of the ID card in the correct way. Like I am also showing you on the sides that you have to upload it exactly like this, and after that click on the next button. So this is now our last step, and in this you guys have to provide selfie to them and the code which they will send you, which is written in this slip. You have to write it in a slip and send the selfie along with it. So below you have to provide the email. The email that you use. So now I have to click a selfie and send it to them. I had given the email ID. So I will tell you the method of clicking the selfie. So the way I am showing you in this picture, you have to stand exactly like this and hold the nick and the code that will be given to you. You have to write it on a slip and click the photo like this. Everyone's code is different. My code is different. Your code is different. And it should be kept in mind that your code and this nick should not be blurred. For your selfie or the thing you are selling should not be blurred from anywhere. Otherwise your appeal will be rejected. The way I am showing, in the same way you have to stand and click a picture with the nick and the code and submit it to them. So after doing this whole procedure, your request will be submitted and you will get a message like this. Thanks for submitting your appeal. We will notify you by email and inbox notifications. So now what happens is that you guys have done everything. You have requested them, you have appealed. Now you have to wait for 3 days. Within 3 days you will get your answer. And believe me, I have followed this procedure. My TikTok account came back within half an hour and I was so happy. So I said, why don't I share with you guys that you guys make mistakes? So don't make those mistakes, and by following the procedure I am telling you, you can get your TikTok ID back. So I hope you like my video very much. For such videos, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, comment on my channel. So you guys must tell in the comment section whether you followed my procedure, and if your account has come back, then you guys must tell me in the comment section. Please remember me in your prayers. Inshallah we will meet with a new video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.